3 ways to repair lamp beads. 2. Caterpillar repair method. Remove 2 or 3 adjacent normal and broken lamp beads. Find the corresponding copper paper. Then cut to the length you need. Place it in the corresponding gap. Pay attention to the direction of the module and sticker. Red is at the bottom and the sticker arrow is to the left. Fix the copper paper with tin wire. Pick up the lamp bead. With tweezers, apply some solder paste on the back of the lamp bead and stick it on the module, and use a hot air gun to heat and fix the lamp bead.